Hey, it's Lisa with An Appetizing Life, and today I'm making turkey vegetable burgers. This turkey vegetable burger is made with two types of turkey meat, dark and light, and it's filled with red onion, zucchini, and carrots. What I love about this turkey vegetable burger is that you're slipping those vegetables in there, and it's gonna make everything a little bit moister using the two different kinds of meat, because the dark meat, is moister. So let's make this. I'll stop talking. First, we need to prep the vegetables, and the zucchini and the carrots are grated, so let's do that first. Grate the carrots. Now I'm using two small carrots because they're so darn skinny, but if you have a really big carrot, go ahead and use that. You only need one. Grate the zucchini. Dice the onion. And chop up a little garlic. Okay, the vegetables are all prepped, and now I'm going to throw in the spices and then add the vegetables and then add in the meat, squish it all together and make some turkey patties. A little Worcestershire sauce, dried oregano, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and your garlic. And I'm just gonna stir that up a little bit. Then I'm gonna add in the onion, carrot, and zucchini. And mix that really well. Before you make your turkey patties, prep a sheet pan with a little bit of parchment paper and set that aside. Time for the turkey meat. Dark ground turkey, white turkey meat, then use your best tools. Get in there and squish it all around. So now we're gonna make the turkey patties. Really easy. Little ball. I'm just gonna smash it. Now I'm gonna make a little indent with my thumb to help these cook a little bit better. So I'm gonna cover this with a little plastic wrap and stick it in the refrigerator for about an hour just to let it set together, and it'll hold together better when it cooks. The turkey patties have chilled, and let's get them over on the stove and get them cooking. So I'm warming up my grill pan, and I'm gonna use avocado oil. I've been cooking with this a lot. I love this brand. This is not a sponsored thing. I've just been using a lot of avocado oil, and it has a higher heat temperature to it, so it actually is really good to cook with. So I'm gonna add a little oil. I'm gonna let these cook for 5 to 7 minutes on each side, and if you wanna know what temperature they should be, probably around 160 degrees. So I have a whole wheat bun. I'll put that on. And I'm gonna be honest, I forgot the lettuce and the larger tomato to put on this. So you can be creative and put whatever you want on this. There's a lot of vegetables, so honestly, I'm gonna eat this as is. I'm not even gonna put ketchup on it. I'm gonna go rogue on this. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to ring that bell and to subscribe. And for the full recipe with lettuce, head over to An Appetizing Life. You know what? You can't remember everything, but it's still a good burger. You don't need lettuce. This is good.